We all want that one small indicator that can signal us when to enter and when to exit, and whether it is day trading, positional trading, swing trading, or even short-term to long-term investing. So if we want to maximize profit, if we have that one signal that can help us, it will be great, isn't it? So today we are going to see the same. Hello everyone, welcome back to Nandhuz Equity, your partner for wealth creation and awareness. So today we are going to see what is RSI, 5 things to analyze along with RSI, and RSI for long-term to short-term investments. Relative Strength Index is a popular technical indicator used to measure the momentum and strength of a stock's price action. So it's based on the ratio of upward price movements to downward price movements over a specified period of time, typically 14 days. What can RSI do? It can provide an early signal of potential price reversal or trend reversal, allowing us to enter or exit positions ahead of the crowd. So it's very usually used in options trading and even for swing and positional trading. So RSI ranges from 0 to 100. So whenever it crosses 70, that means it is at the overbought zone and due for a correction. And similarly, when it goes below 30, it suggests that the stock or a particular index is oversold and due for a price bounce. So knowing RSI that it cannot produce result alone, we need to understand what we can combine along with that for maximizing profit, whether it is short term or long term. Let's see the 5 top things that we can combine. Trend is always the number one thing when we are investing or trading. So trend direction is very important. When you look for a rising moving average such as 200-day moving average or 300-day moving average with an uptrend, it is very good when you combine that with RSI. The rising trend suggests the potential for long-term price appreciation. Combine this with RSI and indicating positive momentum to further confirm the strength of the trend. So this we can see shortly with an example. This is Hindustan Aeronautics chart, 3 months chart I have taken and have marked 4 particular places, green circles, where we have a clear opportunity to enter into the stock. Various reasons. Number one reason, the stock is on a long-term uptrend, which you can clearly see. Second one is we see that apart from the trend, RSI is on the lower lows and the stock is above 200 and 300 days moving average. The second thing is moving averages when it is doing a crossover. So we have seen there is a golden crossover or golden cross we call when 200-day moving average crossing 300-day or 50-day moving average crossing 200-day moving average. Those are quite a bullish crossover where the shorter term moving average crosses above the longer term moving average. This can indicate a potential buy signal for long-term investors and confirm the signal by checking if the RSI is also showing the strength or moving higher. So apart from the trend, the next important thing is whenever a stock is going through a kind of crosses like golden cross or death cross, I have marked 2 red circles. They are like death cross when Cochin shipyard price has gone down. I have also kept 2 blue lines, vertical lines that exactly depicting the places where the RSI has gone down significantly lower. And if you see the second time when it has gone, there is a clear opportunity to enter. And of course, whenever a particular stock has a crossover like 200-day moving average going against or above the 300-day moving average, or 50-day moving average going above 200-day moving average. So those are all called very good opportunities called golden cross, which I have marked with the green circle. So we can combine RSI and moving average very easily like this to find trend reversal, and it will be a good opportunity, whether it is a long term or short term, to enter and exit positions. The third one that we need to combine with RSI, support and resistance levels. So we always look for multiple support and multiple resistance level so that we can avoid higher risk. So buying near support levels or after bounce from support can be an opportunity for long term investments. So I have taken the Tata Motors to depict the support levels. You can clearly see there is a strong support level marked with green circles between the two yellow lines, and you can also see the lower lows of RSI clearly depicted with green signals, and if you see that there is a clear trend reversal whenever we see the support level and RSI combination, and this can really help to enter and exit long-term positions. Divergence is an interesting reversal pattern, like bullish divergence occur when the price makes lower lows but RSI forms higher lows. So this will be an upward momentum. And on the contrary, when price makes higher highs, RSI forms lower highs, then that suggests a downward pressure. So divergences can provide clues about potential trend reversal or continuation of the long term. So RSI divergence is nothing but when the price is going lower lows and the RSI goes higher lows. So I have marked with green circles two places for the Wipro share where it has gone down, and at the same time RSI is indicating higher lows. Those are clear bullish reversal pattern, and we can initiate new positions when we want to invest long term or short term, both places. Accordingly, you have to adjust the time frame, and this can really help us in terms of making entry exit decisions. The fifth one is volume. So whether it is a different reversal pattern that we see in RSI or in price, if there is no significant volume in the overall trade or investment, then none of them will really make sense. So we have to see both higher and lower volume. Higher trading volume during the bullish move can validate the strength of the trend and increase the confidence in long-term investment. And to the opposite, a decrease in volume during a trend signaling weakening participation and caution for long-term investors. So here volume is clearly marked where one can enter the green signal area, the big dot circle, green circle, and also the red circle. It clearly shows the entry and exit levels for Dabur, and one, it had initiated the position, it could have given a very strong risk reward ratio. And if you see combining volume and RSI data, RSI indicated the lowest during October, and one, if I had initiated a position in this particular stock, and then in the month of November, about 22nd, so that's the time, about 1.5 months, it has given a strong risk reward ratio. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, share and comment.